Hello, and welcome to another SatNav Systems video. Today we are not at our usual SatNav Systems premises, but at the Volkswagen dealership. This is where our main majority of our work is happening, really, where all our fully trained technicians go out and do installations. I just want to show you today this Volkswagen Taigo. This is the latest model, which has this cut boot kind of, so it's kind of more streamlined. And we just completed reversing camera, so just want to show you here. This is the camera that has been fitted, and I'll show you now how it performs inside. So let's just have a look. Right, so I just started the car, and I'm just going to select the reverse gear to show you the reverse camera. As you can see, this is our SatNav van. And the camera comes up, which is standard camera, so it has a static guidelines. They do not move with the steering wheel. As you can see, the picture is really good, very clear. You can see the bumper here. So fully installed to the factory specification. As always, comes with 3 years warranty. If you want to know more information, just get in touch with us. Links will be in the description. But this is just a short video showing you the latest Volkswagen Taigo factory reversing camera upgrade. Thank you very much for joining us, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.